Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You need an Apple ID and a device passcode, so sign in now if you haven't. Once done, make sure your iPhone model and region settings support Apple Pay. This matters because banks and features vary by country. Now open the Wallet app, that's the fastest route, or tap Settings, then Wallet and Apple Pay to start. You're taking the first actionable steps right away. Access Wallet, confirm account and passcode, and prepare your card info for the next step. Tap the plus sign in Wallet or choose Add Card from Settings, Wallet, and Apple Pay. This is where you actually create Apple Pay on your iPhone. Use the camera to scan your card for speed or type the numbers if you prefer. The bank will require verification, so expect a text, call, or app confirmation. Once verified, pick your default card and enable any features like Express Transit. Make sure to review terms. These steps finalize setup, so to pay, double-click the side button on Face ID models, authenticate with Face ID or passcode, then hold your iPhone near the contactless reader. You'll see Done and a checkmark when payment succeeds. If a card fails, make sure your bank supports Apple Pay in your region, confirm your card wasn't blocked, and check wallet limits. Those are common causes. If issues persist, restart the phone, remove and re-add the card, and contact your bank for verification or temporary holds. That usually.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.